It's been talked about for years, and today the architectural design for the proposed New Jersey Performing Arts Center was unveiled. The $200 million Arts Center, say its backers, will rival Lincoln Center in New York. The money will come from a public-private partnership. The state has already pledged $20 million. Corporations have pledged millions more. And even though opening night is at least 5 years away, the bipartisan support at today's unveiling was a good indication that the project will go forward.
What we have here is a blueprint for the future.
This is about economic development, yes, and that's very important. But this is really about setting a standard for New Jersey.
The message here today is that the Performing Arts Center won't just create cultural opportunity, but economic opportunity as well. The Arts Center is expected to create thousands of construction jobs, and that's not all.
Building the center will pump in anywhere from $850 million to $1 billion into the economy by the end of the decade. Thousands, literally thousands of construction jobs and permanent jobs will result from this investment.
And the often asked question was asked again today. Will people come to Newark to go to the Arts Center?
It's so close, it's so convenient, it's easy to get to.
Cities need more than jails, methadone clinics, and flop houses. We need hope, we need vision, we need dream. And yes, the arts are neither Republican or Democrat, rich or poor, black or white. It's about opportunity.
Trish DeGasperis, NJN News, Newark.